Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today me and my granddaughter here, this is Savannah.
Hi guys.
Yeah, we got seafood today for our mukbang, sponsored by Divine Grace. And they were kind enough to sponsor this for us, and we appreciate it very much. And the food looks so delicious, as you saw when I first put it up. So I know that my granddaughter will do her best to eat this. So we'll get our prayer done, guys, and then we'll eat. Anyway, guys, so what we did, right? It comes with this cover. This is the business. Yeah, so we took off our cover and we put it right beside us so we can, put our shells and stuff in it. And guess who came up with that idea? Yeah. Okay. Dig in, Savannah. I hope you enjoy it. It looks so good.
So good.
Yeah, we warmed up the sauce, because we want our hands to be burning, but nah, I think it was, yeah. Nice thing. Oh, nice. Oh, Divine Grace. Yummy.
Yum. That's good.
It is.
Yum.
Oh, and I like how it comes with kumara, that sweet potato. It's nice yin and yang, because this is sweet and then this is savory, so I dipped that in the... Yeah, I asked for a spare sauce and that's what they gave. That's so good. Anyway, I went up to the door when I went to get the food. And what a small, small world. Yeah. So the lady that runs this, who owns this little business, her and her husband. So the couple that owns this business, they're Primrose and Isaiah. So it was a small world, guys. I went up to the door. And I know the parents of Isaiah. Vroom.
Brought a video.
Yeah, they want some. Nice. Yeah. So, I know the couple from back in the good old days, and yeah, so it's a small world, guys. Went up to the door, and the owner's dad called out, "Hi!" I thought, "Wee, what a small world." Very friendly family. I'm going to use the lemon, squeeze it all over my food.
The sauce.
The
sauce is so good.
Yeah, nice, eh? Okay. I'm going to cut the tail. Thank you so much, Divine Grace, for this food. It's very generous of you guys to, give it. For me and my granddaughter to try out, and it's the bomb.
Spot on.
Yeah, very nice. Anyway, just to tell you, I've oiled the scissors. So yeah, this is such good food.
I know. And it's got good of everything, right?
Yeah.
Enough of everything.
Yeah. It's not too much, when it's too much, it's too much, but this is some plus a little bit more, So you can share this with another person, but I'll have it by myself. Thank you very much.
Yep, literally.
Man, now this is so rude of me. I'll go give you guys a bite. Mm-hmm. Delissimo. Yum. Mr. Whippy. Yum.
I know.
I'm definitely ordering this again.
I'll be there.
Mm.
Actually, I'll be there.
Yeah, so it's got mussels. Look how big the mussels. And the prawns in the shell. And the prawn out of the shell. No, yum. And it's got the sausage, the sausage, and it's got these yummy eggs, cucumber, and the corn. Oh yeah, and it's got potato and sweet potato.
Got a crab.
Oh, it's even got a crab in it too. Thank you,
Yep.
Savannah.
And then the lobster tail as well that she already ate.
Yeah, oh yeah. Savannah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're so blessed. Thank you, divine grace.
The crab looks like it's staring at me.
Have it sliced.
It's jealous.
I look at mine.
No, shake,
My
shake.
hand trying to do that. Pretty.
It's like, look at my behind.
Tuck to the name.
So good.
Try to people your massive prawn there. That one. Okay. Look at that.
No.
Oh yeah. Come on in.
Boom.
Hey, stop playing with your food. Dates have any bad influence.
You know, you're gonna make it spicy.
I am. Yeah. Oh. And I drink his water.
I have water as well.
Because my granddaughter, she only drinks water. So I thought I'd join her tonight. I didn't chew my food properly and it's got stuck over here.
Oh.
So I've got to chase it down. This food is really, really lovely, guys. So, go on Instagram and look up Divine Grace, guys, and get you guys some. If you live locally, they stay in Mount Druitt, where I come from too. And look at that, all the onion and the butter sauce.
Yum.
I should stop looking over at yours. I've got heaps here. This is so lovely. Look at all the onion. I'm going to squeeze some more lemon. Man, this is a generous portion, you know. This. Oh, definitely get me some more. Look at me looking at your eggs. Stop looking at her food, babe.
I think I've eaten most of my eggs.
Huh?
I think I've eaten most of my eggs.
So what are you trying to say? Don't touch it. Here's the potato, guys.
Let's see if Savannah's a professional.
Yeah, be a professional, sweetheart. Like me.
Special.
My favorite mussel is the orange one. Because it's the more sweeter one to me. How you going, sweetheart?
Not professional.
If you don't like it, just chuck it over here.
I love lobster. Just, peeling skills are amazing.
Yeah. My peeling skills is on top of the world.
Just took me had a little mix up. Double check. Get some sauce. Oh, good.
Guys, this is so good. Like, I don't even want to talk because I just want to eat this lovely food.
Sugar base into it.
So look them up, guys. They're on Instagram. And I'll see if I can get my one of my kids or Savannah to tag them under the video.
We'll add the
Look at me looking at your food here. This is lovely.
Beautiful.
And guess what, guys? They're all booked up, so you have to place your order early. So your name is in the book of love. In the book of love, all this food.
VIPs only, sorry.
Yeah. Because since Desiree and Sharon ate this, I've wanted some straight away. That's why I booked my order through Sharon. So she can, I wanted to place my order and then, because I wanted to pay for it, But the family was kind enough to refuse my pay, yeah. So thank you so much, Divine Mercy. Divine Mercy. Okay, I need to post. Even make it worse. Yeah. So I wanted to book this this delicious food when I saw it on Desiree and Sharon Eats. And so I asked Sharon if she could book me one, and then the owner, she saw my comment. So that was nice. And then because I was willing and prepared to pay for this amount of food, because far out, it's so worth it. But when I went there, they wouldn't take my payment because, they said that, that I'm going to give them some advertisement. So far out, I would have paid and enjoyed and advertised. This is so lovely.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Gonna scoop up the flavour.
This is so nice, man. I can't wait to order again. Do you think your dad will order? Or he's not really a seafood person?
No, he is, but I don't know.
No, he might, never
He
have.
might actually, yeah.
Well, he should. Because it's a bomb diggity. This is why I asked for another sauce, because I knew. Look at my sauce, need to finish.
I probably have like a quarter left.
Yeah, and you can't look at my spare ones, Savannah. I like you. Yeah. I was so happy to get there, and because my husband went there a bit early, so we sat outside. I was mad. I didn't want to look so desperate to get there early. But, yeah.
Ega bega.
So it's also good when when they were telling me that they watch our videos. So thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. It's
I hope their business keep growing because it's so worth it. I mean, they put in the sweet kumara.
good.
Oh yeah, I got rice. I made rice, but never mind because the potatoes and kumara are here.
this is
So you can even warm me up some garlic bread and have it with us. And it'll still be a nice combination.
That's a decent amount of crab.
Yeah, guys. I know you guys think she gives us a bite of the prawn, doesn't even give us any prawn.
That's ours, guys.
Oh, this is cooked good.
Let's see. Wow.
What are you looking for?
Nothing, I'm just looking everything because everything's hiding. Look, I just found this under all my stuff. Little crab leg. Some gold stuff hiding, you know?
Look at the crab, guys. It's good, they give you a whole crab and then you get the extra. Look at the meat.
This is how you know I'm not a professional because I'm looking at it like.
Oh, you break it off and then you
Like
get a bit,
this.
yeah. And then you got some shells around. Then you can just
Scoop it out.
oh yeah.
Oh, see? No
Mhm.
professional.
Yeah, I hope they do really good with this. But who doesn't like seafood, eh? Unless you're allergic to it, then you can't eat it.
I feel sorry for those that are allergic.
What?
Yeah. Those that are allergic to seafood, I feel sorry.
Oh, I feel sorry too.
Seafood? Spot on.
Yeah, but don't worry, guys, because we will happily eat it for you guys, the ones that's allergic to it. I'm sorry
Yeah.
about that.
Sorry, but.
Yum. Yummy in my tummy.
Oh no.
And the egg is nice and soft.
Yeah, it's not like
Mm.
fully boiled like.
Yeah, some eggs you eat is like stiff and hard, and this one is nice.
Yeah, it's like just right.
Oh, you guys have a bite of that egg and sauce. Look the way.
Oh. I still have some left, guys. She's already gone through it.
And the corn is nice and sweet.
Yeah. Honestly, everything's so good. Like the size and everything.
With tomato. Corn is nice. Nice and sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't have breakfast. This is our breakfast.
Yeah.
And lunch.
Brunch.
Crunch, crunch. Crunch.
I mean, it's a good breakfast, guys.
Yeah, very nice breakfast.
It's so good when just sitting here in silence and just yum.
Mmm. They're good. Because, no, I like the way they cook your thing. And then the mussel, it's like it's only partly boiled, but and it's still raw, which is good. Yeah, I like it like that. It's like slightly raw, but it's good. So some people can't eat raw mussels, but this one it's only half. Or it's not at all, but still nice.
She's at the end of her sauce. Luckily you got an extra.
Fuck yeah, better. I knew one sauce wasn't enough. My granddaughter here said that she can't peel the prawn, so yeah, grab your prawn. No, I'll get this one. Okay. Ding ding. Okay, you snap off the head, twist it, and then you put it there.
What?
Just let them pull it.
Oh,
Yeah, don't worry about that. How that spits out at you.
It's sharp like me, that's
Yeah.
why.
Then you take off the legs, the 60 legs. Oh, sorry. Then you take off the legs. Did you take off the legs? Yeah, and then you start peeling off the skin.
Let's see if I'm a professional, guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Get
Yeah.
off my finger. I'm trying to fight. Let's see. Guys, I'm a professional now.
Oh yeah, professional. Dink. Ooh.
Yum.
Yum.
So good.
So nice, right? My daughter Hope, she also bought from them, but she made last week's cut.
Is she? Oh
Yeah.
yeah, I seen she ordered it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Trying
It
to
looked
tease
good.
everyone,
Yeah, no,
eh?
she's teasing it. All her friends are with me. It looks so good. And then
Yeah.
I was watching Sharon's video and I was drooling. I'm like, and then I get a message. Do you want to do a mukbang? I'm getting seafood. I'm like, okay, I'll be there. On my way. Oh yeah, it's so good.
See, this is what Janine and Chalora miss out on, so too bad.
Yeah.
My daughter's there, like, I mean, Chalora, she's only into salmon.
Salmon and prawns, really.
It's good, man. So if you buy one, and if you don't finish it all, just put the lid back on. Otherwise, CV, when you're hungry later, just come and warm it a bit in the oven. Just for a little bit. Just to warm it food. Don't overcook it. And then you warm up the lid. Oh, that's if you have any more sauce, but...
What a smart idea would be get extra sauce.
Not just the
It's
pretty fries.
It's that good that you'll slurp it down.
Yeah, then you have to finish it up.
Yeah.
I was thinking if I have any left, I'll share with my husband, but I thought, no, I just said a good idea. Put it away for later.
What sugar hide it. No one touches it.
Don't you hate those ones when you say, don't touch my food? And you go back after when you're hungry, And it's gone. Someone touched your
Yeah,
food.
someone took it. Because you're so excited, you've been waiting for it.
Mm-hmm.
You've been leading up to it, you're like, yep, I'm finally ready to eat. And it's up there.
Yeah.
It's like your
And then-
heart.
And then, especially when you're really, really hungry and someone comes to take your food, you know what you want to do? You want to ring up an ambulance for them, and then you go look for them.
Just get it prepared and ready for what's going to happen.
Yeah, don't anyone touch my food.
It's the worst. Remember? You love lemon?
Yeah, it's a generous amount of food. You got a lot of kumaras there, which I love.
I was really looking at this, like, yeah, I got this. And then I'm slowly eating full. But at least I have some for later.
Mm-hmm.
This is good.
If I don't have it good, you know who's going to come in and attack it? My son Noah.
Oh, he loves his prawns.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't,
And seafood.
he loves seafood. But when it comes to prawns, he'll dig through it, eat all the prawns first, and then he'll start eating everything else. It's funny.
You know, guys, I bit my tongue and I pretend to carry on eating. But it was sore. I wonder if it's bleeding. Trying to see if I can take blood. Ew! No, but you carry on like a professional. And you carry on because the food is delicious. So, oh, I was gonna cry. No, my prawn.
You got one more, yeah.
Oh, don't look over my side. What would the sun I'm looking on your side?
Okay.
Man, even the prawns is cooked really good. Like it's not overcooked. It's still got the firmness in it, which is good. These people know their food. They know how to cook their seafood.
The professionals. But when it comes to peeling,
And Isaiah was saying when they need their mum's help and their dad's help, they come over and help. Yeah, how cool is that?
Now they're getting a lot of orders.
Now that they're getting a lot of orders, guys, yeah.
They're gonna
So
need
you
all the
gotta-
help they can get.
Yeah, that's right. And yeah, so you gotta put in your order. So if you miss like next week, or sorry about that, but try next week. Just put down your name and then they'll tell you when it's a good time and day to go pick it up. Yeah, the sauce. You don't have to worry because this is not spicy, guys.
Oh, no. No, not the last one with the kicking in. That spice. But this is good. No spice whatsoever. It's good flavour though. Beautiful.
What are you eating? The
The
sauce.
cranksy.
What's it called?
Cranksy.
Kransky.
Yeah, cranksy.
Kransky. My stuff got Kransky.
I didn't know that because when I was watching Sharon's video, she put the list of the stuff when I was reading it, and my mouth was drooling.
I just call it sausage. This is the good one, eh? Because some are like hard, but this one's the soft sausage.
Just add
It's
something.
a generous amount.
Yeah. That's beautiful. This is the medium, right?
Yeah.
This is a medium, guys.
Medium tray.
This is a decent amount of food.
I know.
It's so good. But at least we know we got leftovers.
We know.
You're gonna be hearing me walk to the kitchen later on, picking at it.
Listen up for your granddad. He might come and steal it.
Oh, he's gonna be a stealer. No.
Come on, sweetheart. If you come and take your food, I'll ring the ambulance for him, okay?
Yeah, you bring it and then I'll chase him.
See, I'm full.
Yeah.
This food is filling. Because I think it's the kumara,
Yeah, the
the
potato.
potatoes, and I even had a corn.
Yeah. I love how even it is, like the sides of the seafood. It's just like, just even.
Yeah.
Like
So you
a
got
decent
enough.
amount of it, yeah.
Because I thought I'll be needing rice with this, but no. When I looked at the food when we were in the car, I thought, oh yeah, that's right. There's kumara.
Kumara, yeah.
And also potato.
And then we've got the corn, the eggs, the cucumber as well.
Yeah.
It's actually very grateful. Yeah.
Yeah, very grateful for the sponsor.
grateful, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Divine Grace.
Divine grace.
We'll add their link on the screen or in the description
Yeah.
for you guys so you get access, so you can go order it, so you don't want to miss out because
Yeah.
it's
Place your order.
so good. Beautiful.
So good. And then you tell them that Faye and Savannah sit you guys down.
Sent you guys. Be like, it was a special request from Savannah and Faye. We would like to order.
Yeah. Yeah. And say hi for us, please.
Say hi.
Yeah. And tell them that Faye, that her are eating our trays. I'm going to save this. I'm going to save this for me later. So when I come, I'm going to get that long stick and enjoy it, you know, on my own.
Yeah.
Yum. Thank you so much. And I like the, that's why I was taking my time
Yeah.
to touch the sausage, because I thought, oh, it might be the hard one. But no, this is the nice
they're
one.
good.
Nice.
The cream skis.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Delicious.
It's got like the kind of like a tang to it. Like that's the little bit. I think it's got like a little kick to it, the sausages.
Uh-huh.
I think that's the...
Oh, I like how you stored your mussels over there. Don't worry, sweetheart.
They're them.
If you don't want them, your granddad will happily eat that with a big smile on his face.
No, I've saved them for him because I know he loves his mussels.
Yeah, yeah,
He
of course
loves
he does. Because you watch after. My husband will come and, any more for me?
Yeah, any leftovers? Does it every time. He did the kick it in as well. It was so cute. We finished the video and then he comes and like, leftovers? And then he came and he finished it. He demolished
Him and
it.
Noah,
Yeah.
they sat there with them.
It was their turn. Take over. It was so cute.
Yeah.
I know he'll enjoy it. It was beautiful.
Yeah. And the good thing about it is not cook, you know?
Yeah.
And it's still sweet too. Right here, we will say a goodbye
Yeah.
because now it's time to go stretch our stomach.
Undo my button, let my stomach out.
Release out a big belly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, just filling.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when you get it and you look at it and you think, gonna smash
Yeah,
it.
you're gonna smash it.
Yeah,
Because your
whatever.
mind talks, but your stomach is
You'll
not.
say,
Yeah.
close the door, please. We're full in here. No more vacancies.
Capacity full. Come back later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Praise the good Lord for this beautiful
Yeah.
food. And thank you to the people that made this, the hands that made this. Appreciate you guys so much. And thank you for letting me get away with paying, because, you know, I come, prepared to pay because I know this is your fella's business. And I never like to take people's, but
It was very sweet of them.
yeah.
It's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate you guys. But don't worry, the next order is definitely a
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
freebie here. No longer family. Pay up, gal, pay up.
But yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you, my baby.
Thank you for having
I love
me.
you.
It was so good.
Yeah. Faso for everyone.
Bye.
Ka kite. And God bless.